Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is VanAmsen with another live coding session. Today we are diving deep into a fascinating string manipulation challenge from LeetCode called remove duplicate letters. So trust me, by the end of this session, you will be a pro at this problem. Now before we start typing away, let's first understand the problem. The task is simple on the surface. We have to remove duplicate letters from a string such that every letter appears only once. But here is the twist. The result must be smallest in lexicographical order among all possible results. So let's look at example. So given a string, for example, B, C, A, B, C, output should be basically A, B, C. So we delete B because it's double here, also C. And now after removing B and C, we are left only with A, B, C. And as you can see, it's lexicographical order. So A, B, and then C. So now when we understand the task, we have a feel for the problem. So let's decode the solution together. So first, we will initialize a stack, which will help us keep track of a character in the desired order. So point one. And then we will use a set called scene to track a character already processed. So lastly, we will create a dictionary last occurrence to store the last occurrence of each character in the string. So with our data structure set up, we are going to loop through our string as we encounter a character, and if it's not in our scene set, we will check a few conditions. So let's implement it. So stack set and last occurrence C I for I C in enumerate S, and for I C in enumerate S. If C not in scene, then while stack and C less than stack minus 1, I less occurrence stack minus 1. So with our main data structure setup, what we are doing is we are looping through our string enumerate S, and as we encounter a character, if it's not in our scene set, we check a few conditions. So as you can see, we have last occurrence to decipher whether to add or remove character from our stack. So the genius of this approach is that by the time we finish looping through our string, our stack will have the character in the exact order we want. So and all we need to do is convert our stack to a string and return it. So while scene at discard stack pop and scene at character and stack append C and return join stack. So that's all. So now let's walk through our code with an example and run it. So I'm running it right now, and yes, as you can see, for previously mentioned output, BC, ABC, output is ABC, so lexicographically smallest, and we've removed duplicate character. So all good. So now let's submit it also for unsyntax cases to double verify it's working. So yes, it's working, and our implementation beat 48% with respect to runtime and 18% percent with respect to memory. So yeah, I previously ran it, so it was a bit faster. Yeah, so beating even 96% in Python. Yeah, even faster in other languages. But basically, the logic is the same, and probably between steps or runtime, it might different. So this solution elegantly handle the problem, plus the beauty of algorithm in adaptability. So in this video description, I will also provide code implementation in other programming languages like Go, Rust, C++, and much more. So yes, you might check it out, especially that here we have runtime of 32 millisecond, and guess what? In Go, it took just 3 milliseconds, and in Rust, even 2 milliseconds with just 2 megabytes of memory instead of 16. So really optimal as well due to efficiency of Rust. So I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into problem as much as I did. And it's not just about the solving problem, it's about understanding why and how you can solve it using Stack. And if you found this session helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding adventures, challenges, tutorial, machine learning, tech, and much more. And most importantly, keep practicing, stay motivated, and happy coding!